Because apostles, listen, pastors transform people, apostles transform cities. The book of Revelation, chapter 1. Do you remember this chapter? It's where the apostle John meets the main character in the Bible. Jesus, very good. And Jesus tells the apostle John, write to 7 You're wrong. He does not tell him to write to 7 churches. He tells him to write letters to 7 angels, not 7 churches. Write these letters to the 7 angels of the 7 churches. To the angel at Ephesus, write this. To the angel at Philadelphia, write this. You thought through this? We have Jesus. Does Jesus writing the letter to the angels? No. He's telling the apostle what letter should look like, and the apostles are writing letters to the angels. Why? Because angels recognize apostolic authority. Why did he write to 7 angels of 7 churches? Because John's metron means sphere of influence, is 7 cities. So he has 7 angels assigned to 7 cities, and those cities are apostolic cities. How do I know that? John has apostolic authority over 7 cities, and their principality is not a demon, it's an angel. Because Abraham was looking for a city that had foundations, and whose builder maker was God. Not a city whose builder maker was God, a city that had foundations, and builder's maker was God. And the apostles and prophets are the foundation. So how many of you understand that God is creating apostolic cities that have foundations? How do you know they have foundations? Because they have angels that watch over the cities instead of the principality. Yes. So the prince over the municipality is an angel and not a demon. These are apostolic cities, and they're arising everywhere. And apostolic people are coming from apostolic cities, and they're like a river flowing out into the nations. And God is looking to create apostolic cities so people can see what it looks like for healing to be in cities and trees that bear fruit supernaturally 12 times a year. In other words, it doesn't matter if you're in winter, you can still produce fruit. Why? Because the trees are planted by the supernatural river, and everywhere the river goes, everything lives. And by the way, it says everything gets fresh, and the word fresh there is the word heal. Everybody who gets in the river gets healed, and everybody who stands by the trees gets healed by the trees that are in the river. Everything is influenced by the river, gets well, and lives.